Hello everybody, welcome to Candace Corner. If it's your first time, today's video is very special because I am in a collaboration with some other awesome YouTubers. The brain behind this awesome, very creative, well thought of collaboration is Mika's World, Mama Mika's World. And she is the one who came up with this idea for us to use coconut and create something, as she said, and she would give more explanation in her video. Times are getting really hard and we have to learn to feed ourselves, because when we can't find what we're looking for to do what we need to do, we need to have alternatives to do the same job. So we're going to use coconut and see what we could come up with to feed ourselves. So my contribution, I am going to make some coconut butter. Coconut butter can be used in baking, in cooking. So let's get started with coconut butter. And again, all of the other YouTubers that are taking part in collaborations would be in the description. Alright, so let's get started. Hello, welcome back to Candace Corner. If it's your first time on my channel, because you have watched the other members of this awesome collaboration, welcome. So let's get into the conversation about this collaboration. This collaboration was put together by Mama Mika's World, and it's basically what we could use with one ingredient to create a meal or something that we can use in these hard times that we're living in. The prices is skyrocketing worldwide, and with all the atrocities that is taking place in today's world, a lot of things are becoming scarce or inflation to the moon. So we have come up, well, Mama Mika has come up with this awesome idea to use coconut to see all the things that we could create to spend less money in the supermarket. So I don't want to make this intro too long, but before we continue with what this is about, I want to remind you, last week, same Mama Mika and a few other YouTubers and TikTokers had an awesome collaboration where they used 3 ingredients, right? So this was the collaboration here, and I would leave the link for all of the persons involved that is on YouTube to check them out. So let's get back to today's video. Today I am making butter. All of the other members, one is making milk, one is making flour, one is making oil, and I am making butter. I have to say, my food processor spoiled, so I only had a blender. So using a blender, it was really time consuming because I had to do small portions at a time. Unless you have a heavy duty blender. Look, I don't have no heavy duty blender, right? So it took some time, but we got there. So let's get into today's video, coconut butter. Let's get started. And again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video. Let's get started. Yeah, no, I shouldn't say let's get started. Let me show you how I did it, because this is me finished and throwing some lipstick, and I just brushed my hair to the side and I put on an earring, and I say, let me just come and do this intro. So let me show you what I did. Alright, bye. So now we're going to crack open the coconut, and we're going to grate the coconut, and we're going to put the coconut to dry, and then we're going to start to make the butter. So let me get this crack open and grated, and I will be back. Alright, so remember, just go around the coconut with the hammer, and I use this side of the hammer, right? The side of the hammer is where I use, and I went in a circular motion, and I am done. Okay, all coconut. But you know something, watch the inside of this coconut. How disappointing. And I spent $8 for this coconut. I should take it back to the market. Good thing I bought 2 coconut. So we're going to do the other one now. Okay, so let me crack this one open quick, and I shall be back. Okay, so I just finished cracking the other one. Let's see what we get. Okay, so this one is good. Praise God. Praise God, this one is good. So So I guess I can't make the amount of butter that I intended to make. So I'm just going to use this one coconut and make my butter. Alright, so let's go. I didn't mention to take it off. All I'm doing is taking a knife, passing it around the edge here, and I'm going to scoop it out, right? And I already did that with this half, so now it's just to pull it out now, because I already am. So we have our coconut all out. So now I'm going to just peel off this. I'm going to peel that off, and then I'm going to cut it up in smaller pieces, and I am going to blend it and dry it. So as I mentioned, we have the coconut. We're going to put the knife in here, and we're going to go in a circular motion. Alright, let me raise up this. I think you get a better view there. Right, so alright, so I'm going to show you now what it is I just did to take this out, right? We just take out this, so let me just show you what I did. As I said, I went in a circular motion with the knife, set it in here, and I just you see basically the coconut is almost out already. Alright, shift that away. Coconut is out, and now we're going to remove this in the back here. We're going to remove that skin. Alright, so I am all done. This is what it looks like. I had to darken the screen for you to get a good view of it. It's clear. All that skin gone. So now I'm going to cut up in small pieces, and then I'm going to grind it. Alright? Okay guys, so I'm done. I just did this set. Alright? So I'm going to now add the rest. After making this butter and realizing how easy it is and how good I have my bread, I would be making it regularly. So we did get a lot of coconut from the one coconut, so we didn't turn out too bad after all. And it has a nice size. So now I'm going to just let this dry overnight. And we're going to start the butter process in the morning, because it's already late already. So we're going to finish this tomorrow. Alright, stay tuned. So this is the same night, laying it out. So this is the next day when the sun is out in all its glory. I placed it outside for 2 hours and it was totally dried. And now I am going to blend. As I said, I had to blend in small portions because in the beginning I wanted to scream because it wasn't going. But I got it going. What I did, I just let it cool down and allow it to set in a butter dish and then turn it over. And I used this butter to make a bread and a nice African dish. Look out for those two recipes. And as I mentioned in the intro, don't forget to check out the other 3 channels that is involved in this collaboration. Their links will be in the description. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for watching, and please, this is real serious times we're living in, so learn to cut back, learn to find ways to change your habits, change your palates, change the things that you do in the kitchen, find ways to deal with the times that we are living in. We are living in a time where unspeakable things are taking place, but then again, this is the Bible played out itself, yes? So anyway, again, thanks for watching. Be safe, take care. And again, if you're coming across here for the first time because you already watched those other channels, thanks so much for watching. I hope you continue to come back. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye now. Bye.